Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today we've protected this brand new 2024 spec Range Rover OVERFINCH with a Starline Pro. The customer's opted for the optional tag, but how it works, if a thief got this key, done a relay attack and went to steal the vehicle, the vehicle's going to start up, but as soon as they put it in gear, you're going to see it cut out. They're going to be unable to drive away with the vehicle. So what the customer's got to do, they can choose from a unique push sequence on factory buttons. They can have their phone paired up to the vehicle, or they can have a tag. So what the customer can do, if they don't have the tag on them, their phone's gone flat, they can use the code like most people would do. Hear a disarm tone, and they can select their gear. Or with the tag, the simple way to disarm the system, we'll just pop the battery in. Now we've got that, we'll just get in the vehicle. It can be in our pocket, we'll start the car. You hear the disarm tone straight away, and we can drive off. That's the simplest way to use it. This is just keep in your pocket. When you get in the vehicle, you can drive off. No need to worry about a code or having your phone on you. If you've left it at home or it's gone flat, you can just use the tag, keep it nice and simple. If the customers take this for a service, what they can do is just with the tag, they can do it with the buttons or the phone as well, but we'll just show you with the tag. You'll press and hold on the button. As you see, it's green at the moment. Keep it held. It's going to flash rapidly. Then we let go. Goes yellow and we get 2 bleeps in the vehicle. That now makes it a normal car. So it's going to start, go into gear, not stall out. We get no disarm tones. It's just a normal vehicle for when it goes back to Range Rover or OVERFINCH for a service. Obviously, when you get it home, you're going to want it secure again. So we'll do the same, but in reverse. We'll press and hold. As you see, it's yellow because it's in service mode. Keep it held. When it starts flashing rapidly, we let go. 2 bleeps and the system's back on, and you'll know because the tag is now green. Also on the phone, you'll have the green circle when the vehicle's secure. So now, when we start it, we hear the disarm tone, we can drive off. If the customer wants to change the code, how they'll do that, we'll take the battery out the tag and do it from the start. So if the customer wants to change the code, we've taken the battery out the tag so it doesn't automatically disarm. So we'll turn the ignition on, pop our code in to first prove it's us. 1, 2, 3. If you have a tag or a phone, it will disarm automatically. You can skip that step. Now we've got the tone, you can press one of the buttons 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the ignition off, and then we'll turn it back on, and we'll get 5 bleeps. Now we've got that, it's ready to learn. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll wait for a confirmation. Now we'll repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for another confirmation. And that is our code learnt. We can turn the vehicle off. So next time we get in, if we have no tag, our phone's gone flat, and we want to use our discrete code, we'll start the car. Now once it's running, before we put it in gear, we'll put our code in of 1, 2, 3, 4. Here our disarm tone, and now we can select a gear. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Starline Pro on a 2024 spec long wheelbase Range Rover OVERFINCH. Our number once again is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.